Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to track and understand your stored data using Shopify Analytics in 2026 so you can make smart decisions and grow faster. This is beginner friendly but also deep enough to actually help you scale. Let's get started. Step 1, access Shopify Analytics dashboard. Inside Shopify, go to your dashboard and basically click Analytics, right? And this is where all your data lives, right? Step 2, understand the key metrics. Before diving deep, focus on these core numbers: total sales, conversion rate, average order value, sessions. Total sales, basically your revenue over time. Conversion rate is the percentage of visitors who buy. And AOV, or average order value, is average amount per order, and the sessions obviously is number of visitors. These four metrics tell you everything about your store performance. Step 3, analyze conversion rate. A healthy conversion rate is 1% to 3% average. 3 to 5% is strong. If low, improve product page, add reviews, fix trust issues. Conversion rates means how well your store sells, right? Step 4, track traffic sources. Inside Shopify Analytics, check direct traffic, social media, paid ads, or search on Google. This shows where your customers come from. Step 5, connect Google Analytics, right? Go ahead, to go deeper, just go to Google Analytics, right? Create an account, get a tracker ID, and add it in Shopify settings. This gives detailed visitors behavior, right? Step 6, you can use Search Console. Also connect to Google Search Console, right? So you can track basically search keywords, monitor impressions, see click rate. Helps you grow organic traffic. You can also, for ad tracking, you can set up Facebook Pixel or Meta Pixel. You can go ahead to Facebook Ads Manager. Alright? And inside, what you're gonna do, you gotta create a pixel. If you don't know how, I'm gonna show you simple steps. Right, let me wait for a few moments here. Go ahead to the event manager. So go ahead to the events manager here on the side panel, right? And inside, what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead to, let me wait for a few moments. I don't know why it's slow. All you gotta do is just hit connect data at the top. A pop-up window will show up. It will tell you like you want web, domain, etc. Then you can generate basically an ID or a number that you can add it to Shopify. So you're gonna select the web, right? Connect to your website to share activity that occurs online, app, offline, messages, CRM, etc. Right? It's essential for running profitable ads. You can also track customer behavior inside Shopify reports, right? You can review product or see product views, add to cart rate, and checkout behavior. Find where customers drop off. Step 9, monitor sales reports. Go to analytics, reports, and then you're gonna find, of course, inside sales, right? Check sales by product, sales over time, sales by channel, right? Identify your best performing products. Step 10, track customer data. Understand your buyers, new versus returning customers, location, devices used. Helps improve targeting. Step 11, set goals and benchmarks. Set targets like conversion rates at 2% plus, AOV or average order value, increase monthly, traffic growth. Measure progress consistently. Step 12. Use real-time analytics. Shopify shows live data. So stay inside the analytics, but below reports you're going to see live view. Right? Shopify shows live data for active users and live sales. Useful during product launches or ads. Step 13. Optimize based on data. Use insights to improve product pages, adjust pricing, fix checkout issues, or improve ads. Data means better decisions. Step 14. Track profit, not just revenue. This is important. Revenue is not profit. Revenue is profit. So track product cost, ad spend, fees. Always know your real profit. Step 15. Check reports regularly. Best routine is for daily basis, sales and ads, weekly basis, performance review, monthly basis, strategy changes, right? Consistency is key. So, a simple analytics workflow: check Shopify dashboard, track conversion rate, analyze traffic sources, review sales reports, optimize. You're done. Avoid ignoring analytics, only tracking revenue, not connecting tools, overcomplicating data, not taking action. So focus on 3 to 5 key metrics only. Use data to kill bad products fast. Double down on winners. Combine Shopify plus Google data. Track profit always. Alright? So tracking analytics on Shopify in 2026 is what separates beginners from serious sellers. Once you understand your numbers, you stop guessing and start growing strategically. Focus on conversion rate, traffic sources, customer behavior, profit. That's how you build a data-driven e-commerce business. So consider liking this video, subscribe, and until next time, see you.